two crypto assets, Cardano's ADA and Polkadot's DOT, are expected to be very important for the DeFi ecosystem. Why? Both these projects, Cardano and Polkadot, started by co-founders of Ethereum, the first programmable blockchain. Let's talk about these two assets. As mentioned before, both these projects were founded by Ethereum co-founders. Cardano was founded by Charles Hoskinson and ADA started trading in October 2017, whereas Polkadot was founded by Gavin Wood and DOT started trading in August 2020. As of 22nd November 2021, the market cap of ADA stands at $59 billion compared to $39 billion of DOT. The total supply of ADA stands at 33.7 billion compared to 1.1 billion of DOT. Now let's talk about the technology behind these two assets. ADA is the native coin of Cardano blockchain, whereas DOT is the native token of the Polkadot protocol. Both Cardano and Polkadot follows POS or Proof of Stake protocol, but they are little different from simple POS protocols. Cardano follows a Proof of Stake consensus protocol named Ouroboros, whereas Polkadot uses a consensus protocol named Nominated Proof of Stake. Now let's quickly talk about these two platforms, Cardano and Polkadot, before we talk about ADA and DOT. Cardano is the first blockchain that is peer-reviewed and academically developed by a group of experts in the field. Cardano is a multi-layered blockchain comprising of two main elements, the Cardano Settlement Layer or CSL and Cardano Computational Layer or CCL. The CSL, that is the settlement layer, powers Cardano's unit of account. In simple words, this is where peer-to-peer transactions are facilitated, such as transfer of tokens between users. The CCL or the computational layer maintains the chain's security, acts as ground zero to deploy smart contracts, and also serves as a framework that is designed to meet the goals of the network to ensure regulatory compliance with various jurisdictions. The multi-layer architecture of Cardano is designed to avoid network congestion, slow transactions, and high transaction fee. As per some tests performed in 2017, the Cardano blockchain is capable of handling 257 transactions per second, compared to around 15 in case of Ethereum. As per Messari.io, ADA transaction fee hovers between $0.3 to $0.7 per transaction compared to $50 to $60 in case of Ethereum. Cardano introduced smart contracts during the Alonzo upgrade on September 12, 2021, and adopting quickly to be a major player in the DeFi ecosystem. Smart contracts on the Cardano network are written using Plutus scripts, unlike smart contracts on Ethereum which use Solidity. As Cardano uses proof of stake consensus, ADA holders can stake their coins to earn yield. Now coming to Polkadot. Polkadot is not a blockchain but rather a blockchain protocol which allows developers create new blockchain networks, not just tokens. Another way of looking at Polkadot is that it is a heterogeneous multi-chain network, meaning it connects various blockchains designed for specific purposes together into a single ecosystem. The layer 1 blockchains created on Polkadot are known as parachains. The parachains process transactions in parallel and are connected together via the Polkadot relay chain. The relay chain forms the heart of the Polkadot and is responsible for the network's shared security, consensus, and cross-chain interoperability. Parachains are independent layer 1 blockchains that run in parallel to each other and are connected via the relay chain. Each parachain can have its own design, token economy, functionality, and governance, and at the same time can take advantage of the shared validator community. Another interesting fact about Polkadot is that the parachains can exchange not just tokens but any arbitrary data between themselves. Polkadot's consensus is also a little different from simple proof of stake and is called nominated proof of stake. Nominated POS involves validators, nominators, collators, and fishermen. Nominators nominate trustworthy validators staking some DOT tokens and in return receive share in the staking yield. Collators collect parachain transactions and produce proofs for the validators on the relay chain. Fishermen monitor the network and report bad behavior to the validators. As per a tweet from the founder of Polkadot, Polkadot can process around 1,000 transactions per second currently and will be able to handle around 1 million transactions per second when all the parachains are optimized. Polkadot uses a weight-based fee model as opposed to the gas metering model. Now let's talk about the trends in market cap of these two assets. We can see here that for 2021, the growth rate in market cap for ADA has been higher than the growth rate for DOT market cap. Now, if we see the 24-hour trading volume of these two assets, we can see that for ADA, the 24-hour trading volume has been a little higher than DOT. On an average, we can see that ADA is a higher traded asset than DOT. Now let's talk about the price and return trends for these two assets. Now let's start with ADA price trend. We can see that for ADA, the price trend has been positive in 2021, but the growth rate in price slowed down a little bit after April or by end of April. Now let's go to DOT. We can see that the beginning of the year has been positive for DOT prices, but from around April end to around beginning of July, the price trend has been negative, and then again the price trend improved after July. Now let's talk about the trends in rolling 30-day returns. For both these assets, ADA and DOT, the year started in a negative trend in rolling 30-day returns till around May end and beginning of June. After beginning of June, the negative trend slowed down for ADA, but still is not positive trend, whereas for DOT, the trend became positive after July. Now let's compare the average 30-day return and volatility for these two assets for the period 1st January to 22nd November 2021. The average rolling 30-day return for ADA and DOT has been pretty similar, and also the volatility has been similar, so the Sharpe ratio is also kind of similar. Both these platforms, Cardano and Polkadot, are technologically very unique. Cardano follows a very stringent peer-reviewed development process, whereas Polkadot wants to connect all the blockchains together. With this is Sam Ghosh. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.